Hello there, welcome to Social Guidance. So for this I am here on canva.com. On the left side we have this design spotlight, and here under marketing we have this websites option. Click on it. So as you click, you will be directed here. Now we need to click on create a Canva website. So a new tab will open. Here you need to wait for a while, and in the left side you will find different templates of the website. So from here you can search for a specific website. Like if I search for a bakery website, so you will get all the websites related to a bakery like this. Or you want a website for a graphic designing, so you will get all the websites related to that. So for now we will go with a bakery website. And here you will get a lot of options for the website. You can choose the one that you like the most. So for now I will go maybe with this one here or this one. Let's go with this one here. So these are the pages and you need to add all 6 pages here. So for an example I will go with this one first here, then click on add page, and here choose the second slide, then add page, and then click on the third slide like this. So now here what you can do is you can change your name here, your business name, then here you can add something about your website. So here you can add the image, then in the second page you can add about. Here you can type about your business. So I will type about bakery like this. Then here you need to add description about your bakery, and here you can add image of your bakery, or you can add images from Google. Then we have this third page. Here you can also edit this, and then you can add fourth, fifth and sixth page too. After editing and completing your website and adding picture here, what you can do is you can click on publish website here, and from here you can copy your website URL or you can edit it. So I will edit to your bakery name like this, and then click on publish website. Here it will take few seconds while preparing your design. Once it is completed, then I will let you show how it looks like. Okay, so now the website is live. Now you can copy the website URL. Click on view website and your website will be opened here. And if this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.